Imagine having a secret ingredient in your diet that not only tastes amazing, but also helps build stronger bones, reduces inflammation, and supports overall health. Welcome to the incredible world of avocados. These nutrient-dense fruits are more than just a trendy addition to your toast. They're a powerhouse for bone health. Let's dive into how avocados can revolutionize your approach to stronger bones. As we explore the health benefits of avocados, it becomes clear that they are more than just a delicious addition to our meals. Avocados are packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that play a crucial role in maintaining strong bones and overall well-being. In this video, we'll uncover the surprising ways avocados support bone health and provide you with practical tips on how to incorporate them into your diet. Stick around until the end for an exclusive tip on maximizing the benefits of avocados for stronger bones. Avocados are often overlooked as a bone health superfood, but they contain several key nutrients that make them an excellent choice for maintaining strong bones. Vitamin K, found in abundance in avocados, is essential for calcium absorption and bone mineral density, reducing the risk of fractures. Additionally, avocados are rich in magnesium, which aids in the activation of vitamin D, another crucial nutrient for bone health. The synergy between these nutrients is remarkable. Vitamin K helps regulate osteoclast activity, ensuring that old bone is efficiently replaced with new bone tissue. This process, combined with the magnesium-enhanced activation of vitamin D, supports higher bone mineral density and reduces fracture risk. Furthermore, avocados contain boron, copper, and folate, which are involved in bone metabolism and collagen production. These nutrients work together to ensure that your bones stay strong and resilient. Moreover, avocados are rich in healthy fats, which aid in the absorption of fat-soluble vitamins like vitamins A, D, E, and K. This makes avocados an excellent addition to meals that include these vitamins, enhancing their effectiveness in supporting bone health. For instance, when you consume avocado with vitamin D-rich foods like salmon or fortified dairy products, the healthy fats in avocados help your body absorb vitamin D more efficiently. In addition, the antioxidant properties of avocados help protect bones from oxidative stress, which can lead to bone loss over time. By incorporating avocados into your diet, you're not only supporting bone health, but also reducing inflammation and promoting overall wellness. Vitamin K and bone health. Vitamin K in avocados helps regulate osteoclast activity, ensuring that old bone is efficiently replaced with new bone tissue. This synergy with vitamin D supports higher bone mineral density and reduces fracture risk. Can you imagine having a nutrient that helps your body build stronger bones naturally? Vitamin K in avocados makes this possible. Magnesium and vitamin D activation. Magnesium is crucial for activating vitamin D, which is essential for maintaining healthy bones. Avocados provide a significant amount of magnesium, supporting this process. How would you feel knowing that your diet is helping activate a vital vitamin for bone health? Avocados make this happen with magnesium. Other nutrients for bone health. Avocados also contain boron, copper, and folate, which are involved in bone metabolism and collagen production. These nutrients work together to ensure that your bones stay strong and resilient. Did you know that avocados contain a cocktail of nutrients that support bone health from multiple angles? Let's explore how each one contributes. Incorporating avocados into your diet. To maximize the bone health benefits of avocados, try incorporating them into your meals regularly. Add sliced avocado to salads, blend it into smoothies, or enjoy it as guacamole with whole grain crackers. What if you could make a simple dietary change that supports stronger bones and tastes great? Start with avocados today. Here's your exclusive game changer. Combining avocados with other bone-friendly foods. Try pairing avocado slices with spinach and salmon for a vitamin K and D boost. This combination not only supports bone health, but also provides a delicious and nutritious meal option. Start by adding 1 serving of avocado per day and watch how it enhances your overall well-being. Delving deeper, nutritional synergies. Let's explore some specific combinations that can amplify the benefits of avocados for bone health. Avocado and spinach salad. Spinach is rich in calcium, which pairs perfectly with the vitamin K in avocados to enhance bone mineralization. Add some grilled chicken or salmon for a protein boost. Avocado and almond milk smoothie. Almond milk is fortified with calcium and vitamin D, complementing the magnesium in avocados. This smoothie is a great way to start your day with a bone-friendly breakfast. Avocado and feta. Omelette. Feta cheese is high in calcium, and when combined with the vitamin K in avocados, it creates a powerful bone-building breakfast option. Avocado and quinoa bowl. Quinoa is a complete protein and contains magnesium, which works synergistically with the nutrients in avocados to support bone health. Practical tips for maximizing avocado benefits. Freeze-drying avocados. Freeze-drying avocados is a great way to preserve them and maintain their nutritional benefits. You can use freeze-dried avocados to make instant guacamole or add them to soups and salads for an extra nutritional boost. Avocado oil for skin and hair. Avocado oil is rich in antioxidants and can be used as a moisturizer for dry skin and hair. It promotes collagen production, keeping your skin youthful and radiant. Incorporating avocados into your beauty routine. Mash ripe avocados and use them as a face mask to nourish and hydrate your skin. The vitamins and antioxidants in avocados can help reduce wrinkles and improve skin elasticity. Celebrity endorsements and real-life examples. Celebrities like Jennifer Aniston and Gwyneth Paltrow often include avocados in their diets for their health benefits. For instance, Jennifer Aniston has mentioned using avocado as a face mask to keep her skin looking youthful. Scientific evidence and historical use. Historically, avocados have been a staple in many cultures, particularly in Central and South America, where they were valued for their nutritional and medicinal properties. Scientific studies have consistently shown that avocados contribute to improved heart health, digestive wellness, and even cancer prevention. Cultural significance and accessibility. Avocados are becoming increasingly accessible worldwide, making them a versatile ingredient for various cuisines. Whether you're making guacamole in Mexico or adding avocado to sushi in Japan, this fruit is a global health icon. Additional health tips and hacks. Stay hydrated. Drinking plenty of water helps your body absorb the nutrients from avocados more effectively. Consult a nutritionist. For personalized dietary advice, consider consulting a nutritionist to ensure you're getting the right balance of nutrients for your specific health needs. As we conclude our journey into the world of avocados for stronger bones, remember that small dietary changes can have a significant impact on your health. Share your favorite avocado recipes in the comments below, and let's build a community that supports each other's well-being. Don't forget to subscribe for more insightful content and hit that like button if you found this video helpful. Let's unleash the power of avocados together.